Hey everybody, it's Sherry from Mature Beauty Studio. Today I wanted to come on and talk to you a little bit about eyebrows. Now, you may have seen me do some of my full face makeovers and tell you about how important eyebrows are, but I just want to emphasize today, especially for mature ladies, your eyebrows make a huge difference. They totally frame your face. And by doing your eyebrows correctly, you can actually give yourself a mini facelift and definitely a little bit of an eye lift. So I have very hooded eyes, so it's really important for me to make my brows stand out and look a little bit fuller and again, frame my face. So today I'm going to show you just a really quick and easy little way to do your brows. I already have mine done, but I'm going to go ahead and just take it off on this side so you can see what it's going to look like. So yeah, those are my natural brows, or what's left of them. You know, over the years, they kind of get overplucked. They don't come in as full. And it's important to just kind of keep up with them by doing a few little makeup tips and tricks. So you can see that's with the brow done and without. So what a difference it makes. It kind of makes my eye recede and disappear by not having that eyebrow done. So today what I'm going to do is use our eyebrow wax, which is a brand new product. It actually looks clear in the tin, doesn't it? Kind of crazy. And I'm going to use my spoolie end of this brush. And I have sprayed a little stay spray on the wax just to get it a little bit wet and workable. Then I'm going to take that spoolie end and just go in and brush those eyebrows up a little bit. And then this is going to give my eyebrows a little bit of staying power, or kind of a nice base for what I'm going to use next. So I'm going to go in with the domed end of this eyeshadow brush, and I am using a color called Trust, which is an eyeshadow. So that's my kind of cool tip and trick, that you can actually use an eyeshadow to fill in your brows and get a really nice look. So just dipping that domed end in, I am going to just kind of fill in, and I'm looking in a mirror here, so I apologize for not looking at my phone, but I just don't have the best eyes anymore. I'm 63 years old, so, you know, stuff happens, stuff goes. But you can see how easy it is. And with the shadow, with the eyebrow wax, they just kind of melt together. So that's it. That's all it takes. You can also use one of your contour colors to fill in your eyebrows. I also have used the contour with this little angled end, and that takes a little bit more work. So I wanted to show you something really quick and easy today, just using eyeshadow. So that's it. Look at the difference that makes, just filling in those brows and giving that perfect frame for my eyes and for my whole face. So that's it for today. If you want me to match an eyeshadow color for your brows, please just message me and I'll be happy to do that for you. Thanks guys, bye-bye.